Robot
Can you
is
put that rating in the robot? Because that's part of our how our robot works, so.
And you can come on the field.
Robot is presented at inspection with all mechanisms, including all components of each mechanism, configurations, and decorations that will be used on the robot during the competition.
Yes.
Affirmative.
Separately test the robot in all its unique starting pre-match setup configurations. The robot fits within the sizing tool without exerting undue force on the sizing tool sides and top.
It is currently initialized. It is in its starting position.
Good. Good.
Oh, that's me.
Good. All right. That is the highest point. Good.
We'll back up so we can really see. Yeah, you can tell that's under 18.
Yeah, good.
All right.
Stop.
Wait, are you filming?
Yes, he is. Robot motion warning label is attached if servo motors move during the robot initialization. Which motors move? That one?
All
one.
do.
This one.
Every single servo.
Even if they don't.
Everything that moves during the initialization process has a marker.
That's why we put it on every motor.
Okay, general robot rules. Robot does not contain any components that could damage the playing field or other robots. Team.
No, you can feel, normally the ref would feel the edges of the robot to make sure it's not sharp. But I think it's a separate rule on its own.
It's just got hands on.
Yep.
I'm gonna say that's good.
Yep.
Robot does not contain materials that are hazardous.
It does not, no animal base, no acids, no,
I
fluids.
don't
or
need
anything.
any C4 here. Good.
No, no C4.
Robot possesses no obvious unsecurity risks of entanglement. Okay.
They would count
It
that
does.
as like
This is an entanglement risk, I'm going to say.
That could.
That's insane, how,
That is an entanglement hazard. That is inside of our wheel. Literally, if we turn
That
the
one
robot
is
on
too,
right now.
that could be moved. Probably not, but it could be moved.
So yeah, let's get those.
Is out of here. That's definitely not a risk of entanglement. I put that thing on really hard.
And this could be moved too. That's
No.
in,
Oh, you're using it to. Okay.
This
You're
could
using it
definitely
for its
be-
actual purpose.
that could be moved as well.
Precisely. That could. It's stuck in there.
I think that was the point.
Yeah.
Keep it from getting entangled.
So these are good because
Yeah. Are they? Is it tied up here?
yep.
Is that tied up? Up
Try
here?
to make it a little bit tighter.
Yeah.
No
No obvious or
entanglement
unnecessary risk of entanglement.
Yes. Okay. Good on that now.
Okay.
How do we take that?
Yeah. There's one neighbor
That's
driving on the field.
not. I mean, yeah, that would be over fine. Yeah.
Robot does not contain sharp edges or corners.
Yeah, I told you, I think that was a separate rule, so. Yeah, we just went through that.
It won't
Check.
fit.
Robot does not contain animal-based liquid or gel materials.
Not that I'm aware of.
I don't see any. Robot does not contain materials that would cause a delay of game if released.
Coffee beans, no coffee beans. We're good here. That's the coffee beans rule. That says it in the loose ball bearings, coffee beans, etc. Nothing. No coffee beans, no loose ball bearings. Nothing of the like.
Let's see. Robot does not contain elements that electrically ground the robot frame to the playing field.
No. Only rubber on that's contacting the field.
I found a way to get the mask to not fall off your glasses.
Yeah, no grounding cables or anything. This is
work
a
lots
home
of
tile
things.
field. I don't know how you ground this to the field.
Electricity. Robot does not contain closed gas devices.
It does not.
Good.
No.
Robot does not contain hydraulic devices. Good.
It does not. No linear, no hydraulics, no air hydraulics, no nothing.
Pneumatics.
Robot does not contain vacuum-based mechanisms. Sorry.
No, it does not. Just a
Team
spinning
member
wheel.
is visible from at least 2 sides and meets requirements.
Yes.
Yeah, Joey, you're the one who helped with this on the
Alliance markers are presented and meet requirements.
At least 2 inches away from the wheels and
Energy used by the robot stored at the start of a match shall come only from approved sources.
battery.
Is that battery approved?
Yes, that battery is approved. It's a 12-volt Rev Slim battery. And the other 2 sources are a displacement of the robot center of gravity, which we do not use, or spring-loaded systems, which we use the force of the ring to launch the ring, or to help launch the ring.
Robot is not capable of launching its components.
No, it is not. We have tested that hundreds of times.
It
It's never
shouldn't
launched its own robots.
Unless on the brakes.
Shouldn't be. I bet if those wheels went
That's
crazy.
this is kind of a bad time to be bringing that up.
The refs normally would have a good buy for that.
What?
It's like, well,
Oh, that's good. Thanks.
Robot
Not so far.
robot mechanical parts and materials rules. All components on the robot are from allowed raw materials and commercial off-the-shelf products.
yes, they're all Rev and Go Builda.
Okay.
And Servo City.
And Lexan.
And Lexan. Definitely not Lexan.
Lexan isn't coming, it's just the material that's on the bottom of the shooter.
Yeah, this is Lexan. And,
Lexan plastic.
yeah, Lexan.
Okay.
Alright.
Robot electrical parts and materials rules. The main power switch is installed properly labeled, readily accessible, and visible to completion personnel. The Terex, Rev, and Matrix switches are the only allowed main power switches. I see it.
Easily accessible.
Nice accessible. All batteries are securely attached to the robot in a location where they will not make direct contact with other robots or the playing field.
Correct.
Correct. Exactly one robot main battery pack of an approved type is on the robot and is properly connected to the main power switch in either the Rev expansion hub or Rev control hub. Correct. Where present, fuses may not be replaced with fuses of higher rating than originally installed or according to manufacturer's specifications. Replaceable
Power switch is
fuses
right
are
here.
single use only. Is that true?
Yes, our approved power switch is right here.
We don't have any fuses.
We do not have any fuses.
Yeah, you do.
We only have the included ones.
Which don't exist.
Yeah, they do.
There's one right there. We got a fuse.
Oh,
But it is not above the approved rating.
Allowed electronic devices are powered by power ports on the Rev expansion hub or Rev control hub, except as noticed in a rule on RE05 A and B, RE12, and RE13.
Yep, all of our devices receive power either from the control hub or from the other approved energy sources such as displacement of the robot center of gravity or spring-loaded mechanisms.
The Rev Expansion Hub and or Rev Control Hub is powered by the robot main battery.
Yep. You're very thorough, Raph. I like it. This is like something they do at the state or world championship.
Red
Like,
Area.
qualifiers can be like, whatever.
Rev Spark mini motor controllers are powered by the Rev robot main battery. Do you have any of those?
We do not have any of those.
You don't have any of those. Good. Allowed sensors may only receive power from the Rev Expansion Hub or Rev Control Hub. True. You have a color sensor. It's getting power from
We have a color sensor that is drawing power from our control hub.
and the camera.
And the camera is also drawing power from our control hub, the only place with a USB outlet.
Light sources, including LEDs, are not focused or directly in any way or directed in any way except for the Rev Robotics 2-meter distance sensor. Light sources are powered by allowed methods. Is that
Yes, we
Light
have
focus.
a color distance sensor, a red color distance sensor, red 2-meter color distance sensor. Yes, that's the only light source. And then the light sources on the expansion hub control hub.
Oh, wow, this just got longer.
video recording devices, if used, are powered by an internal battery and their wireless communication capacity is turned off?
Yeah, we have a directly USB, we have a USB,
Okay, so Wi-Fi is turned off on that thing,
to
right?
the control.
The robot controller Android device, if used, is powered by its internal battery or by the built-in charging feature of the Rev Expansion Hub.
Yes, the Rev expansion hub is a built-in charging feature. I did not read through these rules close enough.
Powered by its internal battery or by the built-in charging feature
Robot.
of the Rev Expansion
Oh,
Hub.
right, we did that last year once. I'm sorry, continue.
Is it good? Does it check out? Looks check out.
Yes. We don't have a floating charge off the expansion hub.
Yeah, everything,
We're good.
we're good. Everything's powered by the expansion hub. That's what you were asking.
Good?
Yep, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good.
Exactly one robot controller, Android device, Rev Expansion Hub, or Rev Control Hub is required. One additional Rev Expansion Hub is allowed. Is that true?
That's true. Control hub and expansion hub, driver control phone.
Good. The only allowed motor and servo controllers are Rev Expansion Hub, Rev Control Hub, Rev Servo Power Modules, Rev Spark Mini Motor Controller, and Rev Motor Controller 29.
Yes. Yeah, we got the expansion hub and the control hub.
Motors are plugged into the expansion hub and control. Good.
And we don't have any of the rest of that stuff.
Robot contains no more than 8 DC motors of the allowed models.
Yeah, we have 6.
Robot contains no more than 12 servos. They must be compatible with the attached Rev Expansion Hub, Rev Control Hub, Rev Servo Power Module, or Rev Motor Controller 29, and not exceed the manufacturer's specifications for the controller.
Yeah, we don't have any motor controllers or servo controllers.
One,
We have 5 servos. 1, 2, 3, 4
Four.
in there, and then this one's
5.
Yeah.
It's 5 servos.
We got 5
Robot contains only allowed sensors, and they are connected only to the Rev Expansion Hub or the Rev Control Hub.
Yeah, we only have one sensor and it's connected to the Rev expansion hub.
Good.
Or not the expansion hub, the control hub.
Power and motor control wires must be consistent color coding with different colors used for the positive red, white, brown, or black with a stripe, and negative common black or blue wires.
Yeah,
all our wires are
good.
Wires,
wires are black and blue, all of our positive wires are red, white, or all the other orange.
Good.
I don't think we have any orange positive wires.
Power motor control, servo and sensor wires are the correct signs. Looks good. If electronics are grounded to the robot frame, the only approved method is the Rev Robotics recessive grounding strap. If needed, the Rev Robotics Anderson power pole to XT30 adapter may be connected to the receiving ground strap. No other grounding straps or cables are allowed.
No, we don't have any, really have any grounding straps, no. We do have like some grounding wires for the servos, I think, but they're connected to the expansion hub.
Approved electrical and electronic devices may be modified to make them more usable. They may not be modified internally or in any way that affects their safety.
Nope.
The only thing that's
Not modified.
I see is the webcam, which always modified.
The web camera, well, we literally just take down a web camera, we have not modified it.
Wheel tethered playing field damage test optional. Robot did not damage the playing field trial. This is an optional test that is performed only when an inspector believes that the drive train tread may damage the playing field trial. Okay, you get to skip that part.
Is that the last one?
Like part two.
Alright.
Last one, that'll be the last
Robot
one.
inspection done.
Next is field inspection.